Bye UP, leaving at UP Diliman. Bye UP. I'll be back later. Later I'll be back UP. I'll be back later UP. I'll be back later. I'll be back UP. Yeah, later I'll be back. Sa may left side tayo. Because we're going to CP Garcia. We'll pass CP Garcia. We're going to make a left turn to CP Garcia. All the way to Katipunan Avenue. This is University Avenue, UP Diliman. Today is upcut test. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Wala na pong rain, nag-stop na siya. Thank you God sa rain. Thank you, bye bye, God bless, bye bye.